It's the 5th of June 2026 anyway. I haven't uploaded a video for a little while. I've been really busy inventing, producing items to sell on eBay and Etsy, and landscaping's been busy and IT's been busy, so I've been proactive, but I haven't been doing any videos. So here's the latest video and a latest product. This one's called ParcelHoop, and it's getting ready for the drone delivery services that are coming. Really excited because as a landscaper, could be up somewhere, like to phone Screwfix up, get a delivery of screws or fixtures I need, save having to down tool. You know, you got all expensive gear on site. You might have a chop saw, just done a job now, big chop saws on site. All your tools are on site. And the last thing, if you work on your own like I do, you don't want to just get up and go 7 miles back into town, go to Screwfix, pack all your tools back up, come back out because you've missed 5-inch screws or timber bolts or something. So drone deliveries have got a massive place. And I thought, I've got dogs, I've got, you know, people got kids, dropping boxes into gardens. I can't see it working 100% because something's going to happen. So I thought I'd come up with something called ParcelHoop. And basically it's a hoop in a garden with a targeting system for drones. I've got a Neo 2 DJI that I just adore, been fantastic for my business and businesses. So I thought, right, I'll build a system that you can put in the garden, be less than £100, and would allow a £5, up to a £5 box that they're going to be delivering into the garden. So I've got a small garden, it's packed with plants. My partner, you know, it's just a small garden basically, but the larger gardens are going to be ideal for this as well. So this is what I've come up with. So this is a ParcelHoop. It's got a basket system here. So you can imagine there's my DJI on top of my diesel dryer. One hand anyway. The parcel gets dropped by the drone, and then basically there's a dampening system on the back here that I've put together. And then basically the weight would be supported by the dampener there. This is, I'm 6'1", so this is basically, you just go back a bit. So all my stuff's at the bottom of the garden here. Basically that's an 80mm pole in the ground, that's a metre down. As a landscaper, I've put that in, no problem at all. Would it be as big as this? Yeah, it probably would be. That's a metre and 700mm ID. There's another ring going inside here because apparently the drone's going to like 2 rings. One will be green, that I'm printing off at the moment, and this outer one from above, you can see, and I'll put some video on it, the drone can easily find that, and they've been illuminated in the winter. So there'll be a double ring there. I've been thinking about using 3 words to isolate, just to get as near to this address as you can. And then the basket just comes down, just lowers down when the box is delivered. And then when you take the box out, there's nothing in this box at the moment, but when you basically pull the box out, and then I'm putting in a spring system. It's only version 1, Mark 1, prototype 1. So the spring version, when you take the box out, it'll automatically go up. But this, I've used a 300mm syringe there as a dampener system. And I tell you, it works really well. So, yeah, there you go, ParcelHoop. Utilise the fishing basket there. That's for £10 carp. And I thought I'd use that. So I'll be contacting the company to make those baskets, because I think it could be a nice little new market for them. Remember, this isn't being I'd have this in the garden if I could get deliveries here of small items that I need. You know, out and about, and a client's address, if you've got one of these, it'd be fantastic. What 3 words? With the GPS, what 3 words for this particular corner? I'll post that up in a minute so you can see. But yeah, I hope you like it. Something different, isn't it? And there's my Neo 2 with my RC2 controller. Brilliant bit of kit that. Obviously the drone delivery drones will be much bigger than that, much more robust and much more industrial. So right, so thanks very much for viewing the channel. I'm going to put this together. It's not very polished as usual with my videos, but gives you an idea of what's going on. And I've got another invention coming up, which I'll be posting soon as well. So thank you very much for watching. Take care. When I was testing the DJI Neo, and I basically was hovering above my ParcelHoop, a targeting system came up on a RC2, which I wasn't aware of, and locked onto the ParcelHoop circle as if it was planning to drop. So I think DJI are getting ready with the software, with the drones already. They're already miles ahead anyway. We know what DJI do, especially on the industrial scale side of things as well. And I genuinely think DPD, Screwfix, Tool Station, independents like Morgan's down the road or Thorncliffe's up the road will offer a drone delivery option that if you're a landscaper like myself and you want something delivered quickly, box of screws, timber fixed bolts, blades for your reciprocator, anything like that, you'd pay that premium to get it delivered. You're not going to pack your tools up, as I said in the video if I haven't already said it, and it's very exciting. So on this video, I know I said I was going to wrap it up, but just have a quick look because you'll see the targeting system pops up. I had to use my phone to record it off the RC2 because it doesn't record, the RC2's recording, but doesn't show you the targeting system. So I can prove to you that it is doing it.